Hello, dear friends, colleagues, research scholars, and my dear students. I was thinking of making a YouTube channel the past few months, but due to some or the other reasons, I was unable to complete that assignment. But now I'm happy, I'm glad to share with you that finally I have developed my own YouTube channel and you're already here. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Social Concerns. You would like to know about what is this all about or why do I need to make a channel? Yes, there are so many things. Basically, the experiences that we have been witnessing for the past few months due to COVID-19 and lockdown and several other related uh, consequences, teaching was becoming a difficult job. So, with every problem, with every challenge, some opportunities do come. And certainly, this lockdown has brought few challenges and along with that, few opportunities. I mean, to address to the needs of our own students, the department and the university level, we explored the trajectories of online teaching. And yes, the last semester we successfully completed our remaining courses through online teaching. And then so many things happened in between. Basically, as of today, the situation has, I mean, created a new normal in the sense that uh, during this lockdown and COVID affected uh, time span, we cannot continue with our old practices, our old patterns. So something new needs to be created, something new needs to be adapted and accommodated. And this online learning is one such thing. So my university has instructed us to provide quality video educational content to our students. No, the moment we started to provide this quality video content to our students through online uh, classes as well as supplementary study material, now what is coming to my mind that there are several other hundreds or maybe thousands of students spread all over the country who are also witnessing this kind of problem, who are unable to get connected to or remain connected to or connected with their educational institutions. So, can we help in some or the other way to those students? Now, this is a question that's coming to our mind, personally, my mind. And this channel is basically a response to that kind of thinking and need. So, yes, through this channel, I'll try to share my online teaching with the students, not only here in my department or in my university, but also spread all over the country. So through this channel, I'll provide, at least as of now, I'm thinking of providing at least three things. Now, what are those three things? The first thing is to provide quality educational content, right? So every course that I'm teaching in my university, I'll try to develop online content for each of those courses. As of now, the course that I'm teaching is Sociology of Health. Now, this Sociology of Health is a very relevant subject for understanding the contemporary context also, and that basically encourages me to go online and prepare this quality video lectures for other students, because this is not only very important for the students or say researchers, but this is something which is also of great interest for people at large, because we need to understand the health ecology, the health environment, because certainly this COVID-19 has created so many questions, it has raised so many questions, and really we find it difficult to answer some of those questions unless we take some kind of support from theoretical understanding and unless we take some kind of support from the literature available. So yes, this course on sociology of health, which is primarily for the postgraduate sociology student, is equally relevant for many research students or research scholars, because many research scholars who are opting for a topic related to health, they generally go for a coursework. And yes, I have supervised many students, and although their coursework content varies from one student to another student, but somehow at the core, some of these concepts, theories are remaining constantly there. So a basic understanding of the theories and the concepts of sociology of health will help them for exploring their research and developing new insights. So this is certainly going to be very helpful for the master's student and then the research scholars, and then it is going to be helpful to not only the students of sociology, but all other students who are somehow related with the social sciences, because it's not sociology alone which is looking at it from social science perspective. Psychology students are also examining the health related situations. Then anthropology students are also examining. Social work students are also examining. And economics students have always been talking about health economics. Yes, that means it is a multidisciplinary subject, and whatever content we are going to share here is not only relevant in the domain of sociology, but also these are relevant for other allied social sciences. So going beyond that, what I intend in this channel is this, that I intend to provide quality video content for other papers also that I'm teaching at my department. And research methodology is second important paper that is coming to my mind. Some a few weeks before, I delivered a few online lectures on methodology, and basically the philosophy of methodology, the theories behind the methodology, and something which generally labeled as epistemology and ontology related to the methodological perspectives. And I got very encouraging response from students, faculties, and especially research scholars. So that time from that time I've started to think that I'll provide quality video lectures to those students, because some of the students have been requesting me time and again. During some of the workshops that I have attended and I have provided, I mean, as a resource person, I realized that this is a constant problem for research scholars, that although they get different types of say books or reference books, but how to relate uh, the knowledge which is available in the books with their own practical problem. This amalgamation of the theoretical thing with the actual experimental or existential problem is a difficult situation. So often the students wonder how to relate to, and some of those students really requested me that, sir, please do provide us some online content. So this is the second thing which is coming to my mind, that, well, if we are going for a YouTube channel, then we'll provide not only content related to sociology of health there, but also on research methodology. And then I will be equally excited to provide some content related to another paper that I'm much interested, and that is on social policy and planning, because social policy and planning is very important. And in a democratic country like India, policies are important. Basically, policies play very important role in bringing the kind of planned change we are looking for. Although some people may uh, criticize or may say that planning is something which has witnessed some kind of radical transformation in the last few years. But yes, sociologists need to be critique also. So if something is witnessing some kind of radical transformation or shift, then we need to analyze that situation. We need to examine those processes and the phenomenon itself of what is happening and why such and such things are happening and how such and such things are influencing the processes of policy making and planning sort of thing. So for a sociologist, a comprehensive examination of the contemporary situation is the first and the foremost priority. So again, what I intend is this, that I will prepare few video lectures and try to reach to as many students as possible. So we are coming to the concluding part. I've given a name to my channel, and the name is Social Concerns, right? Because whatever we are going to deal here in sociological framework is going to be some sort of social concern. We are going to raise social concerns. So subscribe this channel so that whatever content is provided here should reach to you. Although I am a novice in terms of a YouTube situation, YouTube related things or channel related thing, this would be the first and the second video lecture that I'll be going to upload. But yes, I have been watching several other channels, and I know one thing for sure, that if we are going to provide something serious, something which you may find worth watching, worth uh, mm, preserving, then you'll certainly like this. So please subscribe this channel. And for those who don't know me, I am Muhammad Akram, Professor of Sociology, teaching sociology at Department of Sociology, Aligarh Muslim University. I'm author of few books. One book, Sociology of Health, has really given me great acceptance among students and research scholars. I know that many scholars and colleagues and students really appreciate that work, Sociology of Health. And then another book that is on maternal health, basically maternal health in India, contemporary issues. This is again a well-received book. And then another book that is on sociology of sanitation, or before that, health dynamics and marginalized communities. These are the books which are all dealing with health in different situations. So my first love is for sociology of health, and that is why the first series that I'm going to introduce in my channel is going to be on sociology of health. Do watch them, share them, make your comments, and if you find them of any worth, do like them, okay? But help me to reach to the maximum number of students or scholars or colleagues. So do share. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.